This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by Howard McMichael. Main lake views and excellent location in the center of Lake Oconee. Spacious open floor plan with master suite on the main level. The finished daylight basement offers 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, including an additional master suite, rec room, wet bar and fireplace. Lots of space for all your friends and families. A large covered rear deck and screened-in porch offer an excellent view. A gently sloping backyard with over 100 of water frontage and over 10 of water depth at the dock is a rare find. Don't miss out on this one. For more information, review the details below or contact Howard McMichael at 706-252-8020.